Love is complex, and reasons for loving someone can vary greatly. Here are some reasons why men love women. Number 1. Emotional connection, support, and empathy. Women are often stereotyped as being good listeners and communicators. Men can find this emotional support and understanding to be incredibly attractive in a partner. Shared experiences, building a life together, facing challenges, and celebrating victories as a team creates a strong bond. 2. Attraction and intimacy. Physical intimacy. The feeling of closeness and connection that comes with physical touch is important in romantic relationships. Emotional intimacy, sharing thoughts, dreams, and vulnerabilities fosters a deep emotional connection. 3. Admiration and respect, unique strengths. Men may love a woman's intelligence, humor, strength, or other qualities they admire. Different perspective. Women can offer a different outlook on life, which some men find refreshing and stimulating. 4. Growth and inspiration, motivation and support. A loving partner can inspire a man to be his best self and pursue his goals. Shared purpose. Having a partner in life can give a sense of purpose and meaning. It's important to remember that these are just some possibilities. Love is unique in every relationship,